Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2011 Victory ARLEN NESS Vision Tour with 27,594 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with slip-on mufflers. Built for the long haul, the Vision Tour's futuristic style stands out in the touring world while offering premium comfort. The ARLEN NESS model stands out with striking paint and chrome accents, adding an artistic edge to an already striking bike. Powered by a 106 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Vision puts 97 horsepower and 109 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 869 pounds and has a 26.5 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.